The Fields, 56 counts, 1 wall, phrased, advanced. Weight on the left. Part A, total 32 counts. Section 1, right foot, forward, sweep. Rock left, forward. This is the position when first A start. Back right with sweep 1/8, now facing 10/30. Back hook. Forward, make a half turn, step back, now facing 4/30. Half diamond fall away. Forward 1/8 side, 1/8 back. Behind 1/8 side, cross, now facing 9 o'clock. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Section 2, 2 sways, sway right, sway left. Balance step, side, back, rock, weave, side, behind, side. Right foot, forward with sweep, cross. Side touch, unwind 3/4, stepping on left, now facing 12. Count part A, section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part A, section 3. Step right forward with sweep. Rock left forward. 2 quick back sweep, back sweep, back sweep. Quick back rock, recover. Full turn, half, half. Step, collect. Syncopated side rocks with body angle. Side rock, recover together, side rock, recover together. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and Section 4. Cross right over, right arm to left diagonal. Trace left hand. Bring right fist down. Out, out, in. Left, right, left. Chase half turn. Step, half, step. Now facing 6. Forward on left, make a slow half turn. Keep weight back on left. Step on right, make a full spiral, facing 12. Full PK turn. Step, turn. That's the end of part A. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B, total 16 counts. Section 1. Step right forward with sweep. Rock left forward. 2 slow back sweep, back sweep, back sweep. Make a quarter turn, lunge to right, now facing 3. Make a quarter turn, recover to left, facing 12. Full turn into syncopated side rocks. Half back, half forward, diagonal side rock, recover together. Diagonal side rock, recover together. Count part B, section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and Part B, section 2. Left foot. Rock, recover, half forward, facing 6. 2 slow walk with open palm at hip level. Walk right, walk left. Press right forward with arm cross over chest. Keep arms crossed. Quarter left, quick sway, left, right. Side left with sweep. Cross. Quarter back, facing 6. This is the end of part B. To continue with the next B or part C, make a half turn, back to 12. Count part B, section 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Part C, only 8 counts, but all syncopated. After at the end of part B, making additional half turn back to 12. 2 cross rocks. Right foot, cross rock, recover, side. Left, cross rock, recover, side. Right foot forward rock, recover half forward facing 6. Left forward rock, recover quarter side facing 3. Cross quarter back facing 6. Half forward, forward. Count part C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and whole dance count. First A start from count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and second B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and part C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8